In the vast, silent theater of space, a drama unfolded. Just days ago, a rogue upper stage of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, an abandoned sentinel of a past mission, met an abrupt end. Hurtling at 7 times the speed of sound, it slammed into the lunar surface, carving an unseen scar into our celestial neighbor. This wasn't a planned event, but a cosmic accident turned scientific opportunity. Now, a vigilant armada of lunar orbiters, including NASA's LRO and Korea's KPLO, race against time. They seek to photograph the fresh impact crater, to capture the ephemeral plume of dust and vapor, hoping to unlock new secrets about the moon's composition and the mechanics of celestial collisions. Miles away, on the dusty plains of Mars, another silent observer recently turned its gaze homeward. NASA's Perseverance rover, a mechanical eye on an alien world, captured a poignant image. Our own Earth, a fragile blue marble, peeking from behind the Martian moon Phobos. It's a humbling reminder of our cosmic address, viewed from a world we are just beginning to comprehend. As robotic explorers watch and wait, humanity prepares for its own grand return. For the Artemis 3 mission, the Orion crew and service modules have now been meticulously joined at Kennedy Space Center. This powerful vessel will carry astronauts Randy Bresnik, Andre Douglas, Frank Rubio, and Luca Parmitano, testing vital docking maneuvers with commercial landers as we prepare to step back onto the lunar surface. But what if the cosmos held more than just distant worlds and accidental impacts? What if reality itself was merely one thread in an infinite tapestry? Apple TV's Dark Matter returns to explore just that, plunging us back into a mind-bending multiverse. As quantum physicist Jason Desson navigates treacherous alternate realities, the series challenges our perceptions of self, family, and the very fabric of existence. From a rocket's unexpected lunar kiss, to a distant Earth observed from Mars, to humanity's bold return to the moon, and the chilling possibilities of parallel universes, our cosmic journey is endlessly fascinating. The universe continues to surprise, inspire, and challenge us, revealing its wonders one discovery, one story at a time.